Alright friends, welcome back to the channel, and for this art lesson we're going to be doing a folding surprise flower pot. So it'll look like the flower is growing. This would be an easy little design. We're going to have some fun with it. Make sure you have your paper, your markers, and then follow the video and let's have fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's do this. The way you want to do this folding surprise is we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it. First, we're going to fold it in half, just like that. Okay.
It's almost kind of like a comic book.
Yep, like a comic book. Just like that. You fold it in half. Alright. There you go. Now that you fold it in half, okay, you could take this half right here and just fold it back to the next corner. And now you have your folding surprise paper set up. Okay? You see that? That way when you open it up, it'll go up like that. See? Ta-da! Alright. But now that we're ready, first thing we want to do is a flower pot. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little line from down here, not too close. You don't want to touch the folding part, just a little bit. Keep it low. You can go a little lower, just like that. You see that? All right, there you go, there you go. All right, and then we're going to take another little line like this. What shape is that?
A big, long rectangle.
Exactly. And now that we have that, then we're going to come down like this. Close it off. And then come down again. What shape is that?
A big, kind of a square.
All right. Now, right here, you're going to draw a circle. There you go. See, not too big, though. Remember, you got to leave room for the petals. All right. And then you can make a couple circles. You don't have to do just one. And then you could do a small one here. See that?
I'm just only going to do 3.
I'm only going to do 3. Now that you have that right here, you start making flower petals. You see that? Oh, just like that.
I'm going to make them not even close.
Oh, you can make them however you want, baby. There you go. That's one flower. All right. Keep going. You had it good.
And do you know why I leave a little space?
Why is it?
Because that's why, because that way I can make the stem.
Okay. You can do it like that too. Then we do the next flower. I'm going to do the next one right here. Just like that. You see that? I'm going to do this one a little different. You can always have fun with this design. And then this one, I'm going to do it like that, like the first one. Okay? Follow the design.
Then I'm going to draw the stem.
All right, now we need to draw the faces. Let's draw the faces, okay? And this face right here, it's going to be a happy smiley face. There you go. All right. The little eyes. Little eyes. And then the next one, also going to be happy. Look at that. All right. And then this flower right here, make sure you do your eyes also. And if you have a different way of making eyes, do them however you want. Another happy face with big eyes this time.
Now I'm going to do the stem.
Now what you got to do is you got to open it up. See that?
Well, I'm definitely going to make a stem.
And then now you can take this line right here and make like a curvy line. See that? And then you can make a nice stem. And as you get down, you can make it thicker. You see that? And since all the 3 flowers have stems.
And look on this dirt flower. I'm going to make it super rich.
Oh my gosh. There you go. All right. And then remember, you don't want to draw anything from here. Everything has to be in the folding part. You see that? Make sure you figure that out. And then once you have that right here, you could do some leaves. Look at that. Oh. Do some leaves on this one. And then a leaf on this one. A leaf on that one. And then a leaf on that one. I'll do another little leaf on this one too. And you see, when you close it, all you get is these little flower pots. You see that? And then you can open it up. Ta-da! All right. Very nice. Very nice. All right. I think Camila's is looking a lot nicer than mine. She's done more folding surprises than I have, so she understands the way they work. I'll have to make mine a little bigger. There you go. No problem. See that? All right. Almost like a cupcake. Now, there you go. Ta-da. All right. What do you think? You good? Oh, Camila's going all out. Look at, she's going all out with the flowers. It's amazing. I think I'm going to be good. This is my second folding surprise. Camila's done a dozen of them. Very nice, baby. All right, look at that. So now when you open it, see?
I draw lines
On the leaves. All right, when you close it, let's see how it looks like. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that. And then you open it up.
And I draw 2 leaves sticking out.
Excellent. I'll do my little line in the middle. All right, now.
Don't forget to color it.
Now it's time to color it. So I'm gonna start with the greens. Let's start with the greens.
I'm gonna do like kind of like as this.
That one. All right, I'm gonna do this green right here, and then we can start coloring it. See that?
I'm gonna do the stem in a lighter green.
All right, I'm gonna use this green right here for my stems, and then I'm gonna do my leaves in different color greens. There you go. All right. All right. And then I'm gonna do a different green for my my leaves. There you go. I'm gonna use this green here. I'm gonna use this green here. I'll use this green here. And then we'll take a different green. Let's see, maybe this green, more like an aqua. Oh yeah, look, that's a cool looking green too. What do you think, Ami? You got it?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh my gosh, I love that color green too. Very nice, baby.
You can also use it too for the
Can I use it? All right, I'll use this one. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna use this one for my last.
Do my stem in this color.
What color, baby? Oh, that's gonna be a nice color then. Alrighty. Now my flowers. My center flower, I'm gonna do it in yellow. All right, and there's a reason why I want to do it in yellow. I'm gonna do it in yellow so then I can come back and do my little pink cheekies, and then you'll still be able to see them, just like that. All right. There you go. What do you think, Ami? We good? I'm gonna do them in yellow. See that? Oh yeah. Just like that, baby. It's good. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Then for a rich flower with the necklace, I'm gonna do it in this.
Oh my gosh, the rich flower with the necklace. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Okay.
Then I'm gonna color in my flower.
What color are we doing the flower? I'm gonna do. Wait. I need to do my little cheeky so I don't forget. I'm gonna do them in a nice little pink. You see that? Yeah. There you go. Okay. The cheekies are done now. All right, and then now I'm gonna do the flowers. I'm gonna do these flowers in pink. This, yeah, the petals in pink. Alrighty. Yeah, there you go. It's good. All right. I think we need an orange. We need an orange flower. Let's see. Let's try this orange. See how bright this thing is. Ready? Here we go. All right, that's a nice orange. All right, what do you think, Ami?
Awesome.
And then I think we need a purple. Yep, for the middle flower, like you. I like the ways yours came out. Wait, what color do we do the flower pot? Kami?
Look, I'm doing it in these colors.
All right, friends, remember, if we're going too fast, you can always what?
Pass the video upside down. Start over.
Correctamundo. All right, let me see. Let's do this brown, see how it looks. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Very good.
And there's always one more thing
What is it, baby?
I got to do with my Sharpie marker.
What do you got to do?
I'm gonna draw the sun.
Oh, we got to draw the sun? All right, let's do the sun. All right, I'm going to do the sun in this corner. Yep. Happy flowers always need the sun, right?
Yeah. But instead I'm gonna draw the sun, no face.
Okay, no face. I'm going to do the face on mine. There it is. It's already done. And then I'm going to use the Crayola yellow for the center of the sun.
I'm already done.
Fantastic. All right.
And I almost forgot it.
What is it, baby?
I had to do this.
The sky.
Mm-hmm.
All righty.
I'm going to do the sky.
You're going to do the sky? Okay. Let's see. Do I have another blue for the sky? I don't know. Is there another blue? Oh, let me use that one. All right. Well, I'm just going to create a circle like this for my sky. Just to give it a little design factor. Okay? But then when you close it, you see how you have to have a little bit of it here? Okay? So then what we could do is we'll leave it like that. That way it gives it an effect. And then what we'll do is we'll do lines like this. Hold on. Oh, there you
Look,
go.
now I'm already done.
All right. So if you close it, perfect. And then you open it. Oh, yeah.
Look at mine.
That looks nice. I like it. What do you think?
Look, mine's taller with a lot of leaves.
Oh, I like it. It's beautiful. All right. So there it is. That's our folding surprise flower pot.
And look, in my middle
So when you
flower's
close it up, the
and
flowers are down, and with the sun and some water, they grow. Yay.
And look, my middle flower is almost touching it.
Yep, it's beautiful. I like it. All right, let's show everybody what it looks like. It's very nice. All right, friends, we are done. And here it is, our folding surprise flower pot. So the flowers are going to be very small when the sun hits it, and then it's a rainy sky. They will start to grow. You ready? Let's get them to grow. Ready? And here they are. They're growing. Ta-da! There you go. The flower pot flowers have grown. So this is the folding surprise potted flowers. It's a pretty easy little design. I hope that you could achieve a really cool little design by following the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and
notification bell.
And make sure if we were going too fast, you could always pause it and slow it down. And make sure to stay tuned for the next art lesson. Thanks for watching, and be good out there. Be safe. We'll see you later.